Want to give Google Chrome a more personal look? Whether you prefer a beautiful landscape, a minimalist design, or one of your own photos, Chrome lets you customize the background of the new tab page in just a few clicks. You can even change the browser's colors to better match your new background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. In the bottom right corner of the page, click Customize Chrome. A customization panel will open on the right side of the screen. From here, select Change Theme. You'll now have several ways to personalize your browser. One option is to choose a solid color background. Look around and pick your favorite if you would like a simple and minimalistic background. Then you have the built-in background collections. Google offers a wide variety of professionally designed images, including landscapes, nature, cityscapes, abstract artwork, seasonal collections, and more. Simply browse through the available categories, select an image you like, and apply it. If you'd rather use your own picture, choose the option to upload an image. You can select any compatible image from your computer, making it easy to personalize Chrome with a favorite photo, wallpaper, or custom design. Back in the same customization panel, you'll also find color and theme options. Here you can change Chrome's accent color, which affects elements like tabs, menus, and other parts of the browser interface. Choosing a color that complements your background often creates a much cleaner and more visually appealing experience. Feel free to experiment with different combinations until you find one you really like. The changes are applied immediately so you can instantly preview how everything looks. And that's it. You've successfully customized the background and appearance of Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser customization guides, productivity tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.